Hey my Sky Savers, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Kim and this is World of Sky, a world for women and moms looking to save money and get the most bang for your buck. And today we're talking all about Amazon coupons, and different ways that you can save money at Amazon that you may not be aware of. Before we jump into all the Amazon saving goodness, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you have not done so already. Trust me, girl, your purse, your wallet, your bank account, it will thank you. Okay, so you know we love a good coupon around here. That ain't no secret. And Amazon is also no different. Did you know that Amazon offers coupons? Did you know that? Comment down below and let me know before this video if you knew that Amazon offers coupons. So Amazon does offer subscribe and save, in which you get a certain % off for items that you order frequently, and you kind of have them automatically deliver them to you every month, every couple of months, and that is their subscribe and save program. So that's geared more towards items like diapers, pet food, vitamins, things that you're using frequently and you need them to be refilled quite often. That is what subscribe and save is for. If that doesn't appeal to you and that's not what you need, no problem. There are other coupons on Amazon that can be very helpful to you. So Amazon has general coupons on all different types of items, and they can be a % off coupon, so like 30% off, or they can be a specific dollar amount off coupon, like $3 off. You can simply click the little coupon icon on the sales page for that specific item, and then the coupon will be taken off at checkout. So easy, so easy. You must be signed into your account in order to click the coupon though, so keep that in mind. And then at checkout, you also want to make sure that the coupon has come off before you hit purchase. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to find coupons, how to clip coupons, and how to make sure that they've come off in your cart. Before we jump into that, please make sure you take a quick second to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Thanks, girl. Now, let's head over to Amazon.com. Okay, so this is the Amazon.com homepage. Once you get here, you want to click on the top where it says coupons. From there, it's actually going to take you to the coupons page. So here on this page, it lists all the items that currently Amazon is offering a coupon for. I find the best way that I like to search for the coupons is to go over here to the left-hand side and click on most popular. So these are some of the most popular coupons currently on Amazon. I take it another step further if I really want to maximize my savings, and I like to go here and have them sorted by the discount percentage. So if we do that, then you start to get the coupons that are the highest value or the best percentage off here at the top. And you can start to scroll down and see what items have a coupon. As you can see, there are a variety of items. So you have some personal care items with some razors and toothpaste and a gel nail light. We have slippers, we have Downy, we have a robot vacuum machine. We also have vitamins, candy. There's a lot of stuff, you guys. As you can see, there are a lot of items that you can get or use coupons on Amazon. Okay, so how do you clip the coupon? There's a couple of different ways that you can go about clipping the coupon from this page. Let's say that we want to get these fuzzy slippers. We hit clip coupon. This will pop up. It tells you that you have clipped the coupon successfully and that you'll save an additional $7 at checkout. It says this discount applies to one eligible item at checkout. So if you were to get multiple pairs of these slippers, you would only save $7 on one pair. From here, you can add the item to your cart. Okay, now, so let me show you a second way to find if items have a coupon that you can use on Amazon. So if you're just searching or you're browsing or you're looking for a specific item, let me show you how to find that. So let's just type in, we'll go look for some vitamins. Okay, so we're on this page with the vitamins that come up for apple cider vinegar gummies. If you scroll down here in the green, you will see that you can save 15% off of this type of vitamin with a coupon. So to clip the coupon, you're going to want to click into the item on the sales page. Right here, you're going to see a banner that says coupon. This is where you need to click and check the coupon and make sure that it gets taken off. Okay, and then we're going to hit add to cart. So now we're going to proceed to check out. Okay, so now we are in my cart, and you can see here we have the vitamins, and then I also clipped some fuzzy slippers that also had a coupon applied to them. So you can see here that the discount for $7.35 did apply to the vitamins, and then also a $7 discount applied for the slippers. So that is how you can determine that your coupons came off during checkout. You can also see it up here at the top right that you have coupon savings of $7.35 and coupon savings of $7 as well. So that is where you check, and that is how you can use coupons on Amazon. So there's deals to be had with Amazon coupons. Pure magic. Keep in mind that the coupons are constantly changing. These are just the coupons that were available when I was filming this video, but check often. So now that we've talked about Amazon coupons and how you can save with those, let's talk about a couple different ways that you can also save on Amazon that you may not be aware of. The first thing is if you have a valid EBT card, or if you're on Medicare, you can actually get Amazon Prime for $5.99 a month. The second thing is if you're a student, you can actually get Amazon Prime for $6.49 a month. And with that also comes some additional discounts as well. So you get free food delivery with Grubhub Plus Student included with your membership. You get the Experience Calm, which is the #1 app for meditation and sleep, for 3 months free, then only $8.99 per year. You get up to an additional 10% off of flights and hotels on Student Universe. You get 24/7 homework help with the Course Hero. You get that for 1 month free, and then it'll be $9.95 every month after that. You get premium Prime Video channels like Showtime for 99 cents a month, and then also Amazon Music Unlimited for 99 cents. So if you are a student or you have a student in your household, these are some great ways to get Prime for cheaper, and then also get access to a lot of other benefits associated with a student Prime account. The third thing is if you buy an item from Amazon and the price drops within 24 hours of you purchasing the item. How many of you has that happened to? I know it's happened to me. Because you know prices are always dropping daily on Amazon. So if you see that, girl, go get your money back. Get your money back. They will refund you if it's within 24 hours. But a quick note, it must be an item that is sold by Amazon and shipped by Amazon. If you were supposed to get an item within 2 days because you have Amazon Prime and the item was delivered late, you need to contact them. Reach out to Amazon customer service and they may refund you a portion of your Prime membership fee, or they may even extend the day that your Prime membership expires. So they will try to compensate you in some way for an item that was late. Okay, girl, that's it for now. I know you're about to go get on Amazon and start shopping, because who's not on Amazon shopping all the time? But make sure that you are looking for those coupons and use those coupons. I hope this video was extremely helpful to you, and I hope that I help you save some money while you're shopping on Amazon. Before you go, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Click the little notification bell so you do not miss any future uploads from me. I do upload videos every single week, and they are pertaining to saving you money in some fashion. That is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Happy saving!